But also, if you have a horse at home that you're working in, you're trying to work through some problems and you don't feel confident in the saddle, long lining is a great way to get the feel for the mouth, to get that horse giving you contact without fussing and fighting with the bit. And again, never putting yourself in jeopardy, never putting yourself in the saddle, and still being able to work the horse. For a trainer like myself, most of the time I'm gonna get my groundwork in and do most of this work in the saddle, but this is a great tool to have in your toolbox, especially for you guys out there who are a little unconfident on your horse and you feel like they're a little bit too herky-jerky, a little fussy in the face. This is a great way to work with them. So you see here I have a full cheek snaffle on him. I have the smallest saddle I could find in the barn to fit him. Now, one thing you're gonna need is your trusty string.